Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an accountant's copy in QuickBooks. This is a super handy feature that lets your accountant make changes to your financial records without interrupting your day-to-day business operations. By following this process, you can keep your books accurate while staying fully in control. First, log into your QuickBooks account and select QuickBooks Online. Enter your username and password, then click Continue to access your dashboard. Once logged in, head over to the Settings menu, represented by the gear icon. From there, click on Manage Users. This is where you control who can access your financial data. Next, select Accounting Firms. This section is designed specifically to collaborate with your accountant safely and efficiently. Enter your accountant's email address carefully and double-check for typos. Accuracy here is key because this email is how your accountant will gain access. Once everything looks good, click Invite to send the collaboration request. It's a good idea to notify your accountant after sending the invite so they can promptly access the data and make the necessary adjustments. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an accountant's copy in QuickBooks. This process makes collaboration seamless, keeps your financial records organized, and gives you peace of mind knowing your finances are in professional hands. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.